I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm on my old stomping ground, the 7580 dragway. It's now owned by the Dobre Brothers. We're going to check this out because we're going to see what all these different kinds of cars will do here on the track today.
Sounds like there's no track prep at all.
Yeah, no. All right, so I'm going to do a quick quarter-mile run, obviously, see how this thing will do. Now I'm up against Randy Savage this time. What? $1,000 bet on what?
I'm beating you.
You think you're going to beat me and you want to put $1,000 against?
Damn right.
Well, that's like, you know, half a car payment for me, so I can't afford that.
First comment.
$100.
Hey, by the way, you should probably
I don't know, man. I know.
No, I'll make you a better deal.
I know
you have
that's
to get
gonna
on camera and tell me for at least 10 minutes how your car was defeated.
Okay, because, you know, you were on camera being defeated.
Right,
On
exactly,
Savage
and I got a lot of razzing.
Yeah, and on Savage.
I got beat by a girl. I'm like, a girl's got nothing to do with it. Girls mostly
That's
beat
what I
me.
said. I was like,
Well,
that.
we'll have to see how you and I do, and then if that doesn't work
Oh, I don't
out,
have to see it.
we'll have to see how she and you do.
I'm going to see how the back of the car looks.
Randy.
Before I drove.
like 5.
So he already has sticky tires.
Oh.
No, seriously, that's what it comes down to. I ran 11 what?
11.9.
I ran an 11.9. Yeah, this thing just spun. It didn't grip at all.
Randy's so happy right now.
Oh, I'm sure he is. Yeah, he just put the car away. He's not even coming back out. He's done. He's amazed to put the car away. I won. All right, so we got Rebecca going against the Huracan over there. And we're putting the top up. Yeah, I guess they're putting the top up because that way they get less wind resistance here. So here we go. It's also, and it's spinning between gears, which it did not do
I
before.
helped plan.
Yeah, you need to ride with her. It's actually spinning between gears.
Okay, you need to get your car out of the way.
Get your car out of the way. You're done.
He's not happy. This shit.
Well, no, it's just, she said there's something wrong here. I said, yeah, you're getting wheel spin each time it shifts, which sucks. It never did that.
Great.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick quarter-mile run here and see what the car will do. All right, what was that time?
11.4.
Was it?
Yeah.
Quarter-mile time, 10:95.
Oh, sorry.